Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white queso dip. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of diced onion, and 1 diced jalapeno for a little kick. Also, have ready 1 cup of milk, 2 ounces of cream cheese, and 8 ounces of white American cheese. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon each of cumin and chili powder, plus salt to taste. Now, let's start building that amazing flavor. First, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your finely diced onion and jalapeno. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become wonderfully soft and fragrant. This step is crucial for a rich, savory base. Next, it's time to create that irresistible creamy texture. Pour 1 cup of milk into your saucepan with the softened onions and jalapenos. Then, add 2 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces of white American cheese. Stir continuously over low heat. Keep stirring gently until all the cheese is completely melted and the dip is wonderfully smooth and uniform. Patience here ensures perfection. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Taste and add salt as needed, adjusting to your personal preference. Once seasoned, your delicious homemade white queso dip is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with warm tortilla chips, fresh vegetables, or anything else you love to dip. It's truly a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.